What is the pathway of air from nostril to alveolus? Answer. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveolus, blood. What is the function of epiglottis? Epiglottis controls the movement of air and food towards their respective passages. Where does gaseous exchange take place? Gaseous exchange takes place in tiny air sacs of lung called alveoli. What are pleura? Answer. Pleura are the two membranes that protect lungs from injury. What is cellular respiration? Answer. Oxidation of glucose or fatty acids takes place in the cells and releasing energy. Hence, this process is known as cellular respiration. What is glycolysis? Answer. It is the breakdown of glucose molecule into two molecules of 3-carbon compound called pyruvic acid or pyruvate, releasing energy. What is the main reason for feeling pain in muscles after strenuous exercise? Answer. Due to the anaerobic respiration in muscles, large amounts of lactic acid is accumulated and this results in muscular pains. What is fermentation? Answer. In the absence of oxygen, yeast cells convert pyruvic acid to ethanol. This process is called fermentation. What is the full form of ATP? ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. What are the powerhouse of the cell? Answer. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. What is the main difference between respiration and combustion? Answer. In respiration, several intermediates are produced, and in combustion, there are no such intermediates are produced. What are the end products of aerobic respiration? Answer. CO2 and H2O are the end products of aerobic respiration. What are the sites of cellular respiration? Answer. Mitochondria are the sites of cellular respiration. Which part of roots is involved in the exchange of respiratory gases? Answer. In roots, root hairs are present. These are involved in the exchange of respiratory gases. Name the areas in a woody stem through which respiratory exchange of gases takes place. Answer. In woody stems, the bark has lenticels for gaseous exchange. In which kind of respiration more energy is released? Answer. In aerobic respiration, more energy is released than in anaerobic respiration. Why are we advised not to talk while eating food? Answer. We are advised so because while eating some food particles might enter the windpipe which can lead to choking. How does diaphragm help in inhalation? Answer. It flattens during inhalation, thus increasing the volume of the thoracic cavity. Which gas turns lime water milky? Answer. Carbon dioxide. Are both lungs similar in size? Answer. No, right lung is slightly bigger than left lung.